Our Peer Leader website was created with Wix.com, and this is a free website builder. Now, because it is free, there is going to be some advertisements listed on banners by Wix.com. So we're going to sign in. And here is what the first screen of our website looks like. We are currently in our dashboard here, and we can see a small image of what our website looks like. Here is our website address. Now, something to understand with the website address is that our email address, NEIU Peer Leader, is listed first. .wixsite.com. This section here is standard on every website that is used. And then this / psychology, this is where you can customize and select a different word here. So if we scroll down, here we are at some quick links that are features that Wix.com has provided for their users. The only one that I foresee that we will use would probably be the inbox here. And this inbox is because we have the forum set up where it's required to have members sign in order to comment and ask questions. So here is some messages here. Now, since we are in the inbox, we need to go back to the front page. So here we'll click on the main menu, and then we're right back at our dashboards. Now, since we went over here to our inbox, this is one way to get into the inbox. The second way to get in there would be to go right here. And we're right back at our inbox here. This shows us our contacts list, all of our members, invoices, which I don't foresee using, member list, and member permissions. Here is some marketing tools. If we go to the dashboard again, there is multiple ways to get into our website. So manage and edit site here, or manage website here. And by clicking, it brings us to another page where we've got some site actions here and some quick information about our plan, about our website. Features that it offers, green check mark, we do have those, and the gray dashes, these are options that are not available with our free plan. Then some other features here on the side. So I'd like to get into our website, so I'm going to click Edit Site, and it's going to open up a second window and bring us directly into our website. Now, a second way that we can get into our website, I'll just close this, and I'll go back to our dashboard, our first page when we log in. So I opened up our page by going here. I'm going to click on this area now, which again brings us right back to this page, and then back into the edit site.